VideoSeeder is the most powerful video publishing and syndication system invented. Technicforce's latest productivity software lets you take video from your computer and put it everywhere in a snap. It will publish your videos on 5 different video sites, promote them on 10 popular social sites, as well as post them to your blogs, all on autopilot. This will instantly maximize your reach and visibility, get the most amount of eyes on your content, generate amazing traffic, build terrific backlinks, and improve your website's SEO and search results page rank, leading to even more traffic, customers, sales, and money in your pocket. Getting started is easy. The first thing you'll have to do before you can start sharing videos is connect your accounts. To start, go to the Upload Accounts tab. Then in the bottom corner, click Add Upload Account. Here you can choose from YouTube, Dailymotion, Vimeo, Facebook, or Dropbox. Just click on the platform you want to connect, and the secure authorization window will open. Here you can provide your login credentials, and this will be communicated directly to the platform holders, so you don't have to worry about your privacy being compromised. And then allow VideoSeeder permission to access your account. Then confirm your permissions. As a confirmation, you'll see your new account added to the VideoSeeder Video Account platform page. You can continue doing this for all the various other video platforms as well. Next, go to Promotion Accounts. In the bottom corner, click Add Promotion Account. Here we're going to add an account to promote our various videos. In this case, let's add Facebook. Once again, the secure authorization window will open, and this is directly with the platform holder, so we can confidently add our login credentials. And grant the various permissions. And select a page that we want our promotions to be shared with. And we'll confirm the permissions. And once again, as a confirmation, we'll see our new promotion account added to our VideoSeeder Promotion Accounts platform page. Now that we have at least one video account and at least one social account, now we can start sharing some videos. Let's go to the Campaign tab and add a new campaign with this button in the bottom corner. And we'll give our campaign a name, then click Save and Proceed. To edit a campaign, we can right-click on the Edit Campaign icon, and that will allow us to give the campaign a new name. And we can save and proceed. Or we can left-click on the Edit Campaign icon, and that will bring us directly into the campaign dashboard. For this campaign, we can select the Upload Accounts by clicking the Upload Accounts tab. And we'll add an upload account by clicking the button. And here we'll select whichever accounts that we've already set for our VideoSeeder account to add to this particular campaign. Now we'll do the same thing for promotion accounts. We'll add a promotion account to this campaign. We'll select this one. Now before we upload a video, let's check our campaign settings. Here we can see that we're checkmarked to automatically add uploaded videos to promotion, and that the gap between video loads will be between 10 minutes to 30 minutes. We can adjust that however we want. The gap between promotions posts, we can likewise edit however we wish. We can also set the times that we upload and post between. Now we can proceed to upload a video. From the Uploaded Videos tab, we can click Add Video, and we'll browse on our computer to select a video. Choose the video you want to upload, click Open, and then Next. Now we can give our video a title as it will appear on the video platforms. We can assign any tags, as well as an item description. Then save and proceed. So now this video upload task has been queued to be uploaded to the account specified. We can continue adding more videos to the queue by hitting the back button. Once you've loaded all the videos you want into the queue, you can either click the queue button on the sidebar, in the top bar, or at this black banner here at the bottom, and this will open or close the queue. When you're ready to start the upload and promotion process, just click play. This will start your video posting and promotions as indicated in the schedule in the campaign settings. If you have a video that you want to upload or promote immediately, we'll just pause this here. You can go to the Upload Video tab here in the sidebar. And the same process again, we'll just select a video from our computer, open it, go to the next screen, give it a title, some tags, and a description, and then go next. We'll select the accounts that we want it uploaded to, save and proceed. Now this upload task is queued and it will be uploaded immediately, independent of any campaign schedules. Here we can see the YouTube has started processing. And here in the status bar we can see that the video is uploading. And here we can see the video is successfully uploaded to YouTube. Now likewise, if there's a video that we want to promote immediately, independent of any schedules, we can just go to the Promote Video button here in the sidebar, paste in our video URL, give it a title, tags, and click Next. We'll give it a short description and a medium description, and then click Next. Here we'll select the social account that we want to promote to, add that to our selected accounts, save and proceed. And again, immediately, VideoSeeder will start promoting that post to our selected account. Here we can see in the status bar the process of what's happening. And in just a moment, we have the success prompt telling us that our post has been successfully promoted to Facebook. We can also keep track of all of our uploads and promotions by clicking on the Report tab here in the left sidebar. Within the Actions report, we can see all the uploads and promotions that we've made, as well as their current status. We can see here that this one is still in the status of processing. These have been successfully promoted or successfully uploaded. Here we can see we had an upload error. And here you can see that we still have something in the queue. Our successful uploads and promotions also have a redirect icon here to make it easy for us to click on to see the uploaded video. And we can see here's the test demo video uploaded to our Facebook page. We can do the same thing for our video uploads. We can click on the See Uploaded Video, and that will bring us to our uploaded video page. And that's how easy it is to upload videos to various accounts, promote them to various accounts, and set it all on an automatic schedule with VideoSeeder.